To create a group in Google, open any web browser and open this website, groups.google.com. Now log into the website by using Gmail account. Select create group and give a name to the group. You can type a description. Next, and you can adjust the setting who can search for the group, either group members or anyone on the web. Similarly, who can join the group, invited users, anyone can ask, anyone can join, who can view the conversation, group members or all of them, who can post, who can view members. You can select as per your settings, then select next, and then you have to either you can invite the members or you can directly add the members. For that one, you have to add the Gmail account of other members here. For example, this one, and I will directly add the members without asking. If you want, you can just send invitation, then select create group. Select I am not a robot, create group. So a group is created and there are 3 members here. If you want to add other members, what you have to do is you have to go to my groups, select this option add members, and then you can add the email account of another member here. Then enable this directly add members, add member. Select I am not a robot and then add member. So once you have added the member, you can open the group. If you want to send the email to all the members of a group, select new conversation, and in this from box select the groups, type the subject of the email, type the body of the email, and then post message. Now what happens is this particular email will go to all the members of this group.